less than an hour after a federal judge ruled that President Trump's takeover and deployment of the California National Guard to Los Angeles was illegal and he needed to return control back to Governor Gavin Newsom, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals stepped in and put that ruling on hold. So I just posted this video a few minutes ago telling you all about the 36-page ruling issued by Judge Charles Breyer. In that ruling, Judge Breyer said President Trump cannot deploy the National Guard in Los Angeles, that his takeover of the California National Guard and deployment of the Guard on the streets of Los Angeles was likely illegal, that he must return control of the Guard back to Governor Newsom, and that it is very likely that Trump also violated the 10th Amendment and California's sovereignty. Well, I also told you in that video that the Trump administration immediately filed an emergency appeal of that ruling to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. And no kidding, within an hour of filing that emergency appeal, the Ninth Circuit issued a one-page order saying that it was granting the Trump administration's request to put a pause on Judge Breyer's sweeping order. The Ninth Circuit will now hold a hearing on this case next Tuesday, June 17th at noon. Now, it is important for you to understand the Ninth Circuit did not say that Judge Breyer's ruling was wrong, nor did they say that what he ruled was out of bounds. What the Ninth Circuit said by granting the Trump administration's request for a stay is, hey, let's take a breath. We, the Ninth Circuit, now need to fully be briefed on this issue, and we will hold our own hearing on the matter, and we will come to our own decision about whether or not the president has overstepped his authority and whether or not he has violated the 10th Amendment. The three-judge panel who will hear and make a decision in this case includes Judges Bennett and Miller, who were both appointed by President Trump, and Judge Sung, who was appointed by President Biden. So what does this pause now mean for Los Angeles and the thousands of California National Guard troops on the ground and the 700 additional Marines who are scheduled to be there as soon as tomorrow? Well, it means for now, they can stay and they can continue to conduct the operations as they have been for the last few days. So until at least Tuesday of next week, you will probably be seeing the National Guard and Marines on the streets of LA.